Hi friends, so I am back at my balcony garden today. I will show you around. Some good flowers have come up, as also some good vegetables. So I will start with the flowers first. I have chrysanthemum, marigold, hibiscus, and some seasonal flowers for you. Just have a look, friends. So here are chrysanthemum, marigold. So you can see beautiful chrysanthemum along with marigold. And then I have some seasonal flowers, friends. Seasonal flowers have a habit of pointing towards the sun. So you can see here. So they have gone out of the wire mesh and pointing towards the sun. Beautiful flowers you can see. And the hibiscus is also there. Before that, I will show you one more seasonal flower. This is a long one, white and purple in color. And hibiscus is there, friends, if you can see. So here is the first flower of hibiscus, bright red hibiscus, you can see, and more buds are there. So more flowers will come up now. And last but not the least, we have a cacti flowers. Last time I had started with cacti. So this is a cacti flowering, and you can see more cacti flowers, the smaller ones down there. So beautiful flowers, cacti also giving. And then friends, good vegetables have come up. You can see tomatoes, big tomatoes are there. Can you see? Here, tomatoes are there. More tomatoes, some more. And one more bunch is there at the lower right. You can see this bunch of tomatoes. And then more are there, friends. Bigger in size also, you can see. Here also more tomatoes. Some more at a lower height. Still more you can see. And these are the big ones, big tomatoes you can see. These are all tomatoes. And then we have gourd also. Gourd will take some more time to give fruits. We are waiting for the fruits. And then friends, we have some more flower plants. Here we have marigold. Marigold plants are growing. These will give flowers over a period. And this one is calendula. Calendula flowers are yellow and orange in round shape with many leaves. And we have made full use of the flower pots by planting garlic also. So these are, the long shoots are garlic shoots, friends. So we make good chutney, chutney along with pakodi and other food items we eat. So these garlic shoots are useful for making chutney. And then friends, we have a jasmine. This jasmine is now growing, and this is a night flowering jasmine, or bela as we call. And then seasonal plants again, which I had shown. And again back to your chrysanthemum flowers and marigold. Beautiful flowers these are. And then some vegetables, more vegetables. This is spinach, friends. In Hindi we call it palak. So palak is there. Good crop of palak we have. And this is another plant of marigold in which buds have come up. And above this marigold, in the flower plant, you have this basil leaves, good for their properties. During pandemic, these are very helpful and develop immunity if taken regularly. And then I have planted sunflower here. Sunflower plant is small, but it will grow into a big one. And around the sunflower, this is a chili, round chili, small round chili plants are there. And this is the big chili, friends. Again a big chili. And this is fenugreek, methi. So methi, I have a good crop, friends. So this is some methi in this flower pot, and more methi. This is a very dense crop of methi here. And then I have more spinach. You can see more spinach here, and dhania is also there, and more spinach is there. So coriander we are cutting almost every day and putting in the vegetables, and we have more cacti. Cacti is here. You can see the cacti, and one vine of this hyacinth beans is there. Here also flowers have come up, and we will get some vegetables out of it. And after this, friends, we will move over to the other side, and I will show you some more beautiful plants which are giving flowers as well as fruits. So we go over to the other side now and have a look at some more plants. So here we are on the other side, friends. So again you can see tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes have come up here. So tomatoes, and then curry leaf. Curry leaf is good for frying dal and other food items. Gives good taste and aroma. And then we have an oleander here. Oleander has grown very tall, reached the roof almost. And alongside oleander we have money plant. Money plant also has grown right up to the roof. And then we have again a flowering plant. Flowers had come up, red ones, but dried up, and now fresh flowers are coming. You can see here, fresh flowers coming up here, bright red flowers. And then we have a Christmas tree here. Christmas has just passed and we decorated it on Christmas. And then another oleander. And this is an evergreen plant. Keeps green round the year. And then again money plant we have. And another evergreen plant, again money plant. And last but not the least, we have this medicinal plant. So these plants require care. We have to tend to them, and along with care we put organic manure. This is cow dung manure, friends, and this is your neem manure made of neem leaves and neem fruits. So we mix these two and put in a jar, water jar. Here are the two jars. We put the mixture of neem leaves and cow dung manure into these jars, about 250 grams in each jar, and fill up the water. And this water after 48 hours is used to water these plants, giving good growth. So in the same way, friends, you can make good use of your space in the balcony or roof and grow some vegetables which not only gives you satisfaction but also enables you to cultivate a good hobby, productive hobby, and enables you to make good use of your time, and a lot of mental satisfaction, lot of release of tension, and fulfillment you get. So friends, get up and take up this kitchen gardening on the roof or balcony quickly. So best of luck and all the best to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video, and press the bell button also. So thank you friends for watching. Good luck, all the best to you, and here is a bye bye from your friend Shekhar. Thank you, bye bye.